Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. I missed you. The Christmas season is here. This is my favorite time of year because it's Jesus' birthday. Let's see what's inside the purple basket. The story of Christmas. Do you know why we give gifts at Christmas? We give presents because it is Jesus' birthday. Long ago, an angel told Mary she would have a baby named Jesus. Mary and her husband, Joseph, were very happy. They had a lot to do to get ready for the baby. But first, they had to take a long trip to Bethlehem. Mary rode a donkey and Joseph walked. When they got to Bethlehem, many people were there. Mary and Joseph were very tired, but there was no place for them to stay. They slept on a bed of hay in a stable with cows and donkeys. That night, baby Jesus was born. Angels told the shepherds, "Jesus is born. You will find him laying in a manger." Wise men followed a star to the stable and baby Jesus. They brought presents because they loved him. We give gifts at Christmas to show our love. And we say, "Happy birthday, baby Jesus." The end. What a beautiful story about our Lord. When we give with joy, we sprinkle love on the earth. Remember, be kind, be safe, and don't forget to say your prayers. See you next time. Merry Christmas.